With Windows 10, I suppose what we're trying to achieve is to take the best bits of Windows 8.1 and 8 that people really liked, and the best from Windows 7 that people liked, and integrate them together into one operating system. What we're looking at is a unified platform that will work across multiple different devices. So we're talking phone, phablet, tablet, 2-in-1, all-in-one PC, touch and Xbox. And what we'll have is an ecosystem that brings all of your apps, all your products together in one place. And it's a similar feel. No matter what you pick up, you will see the same thing forward every time you use them. One of the big things is the return of our start menu. 8 and 8.1 were very touch-centric type of OS. So anyone using a mouse and keyboard maybe didn't get the experience they were looking for. But anyone using touch pretty much fell in love with it straight away. With Windows 10, you're looking at an operating system that's very optimized for touch, but it also has a fantastic experience for those people who want to use mouse and keyboard. It's an easy to use operating system that makes sense and will make things a little bit easier cross-platform. The other thing as well, we've got a application called Continuum. So Continuum is a piece of software that allows Windows 10 to know what device you're using it on. So for example, if I'm using a 2-in-1 as something I'll show in a few minutes, and I take off the keyboard, Continuum knows I've removed the keyboard and asks me, do I want to turn my screen into a tablet mode? So if I hit yes, it goes to a large screen, large icons, very touch-centric, very easy to use. Continuum is also an app that allows me to know what size screen I'm viewing documents on. So if I create a Word document on my PC and I want to look at it on my phone, rather than getting a watered down version on my phone, what it does is it just reduces the size of the window to fit the screen I'm looking at it on. So I see the same experience, but just on a smaller screen. Continuum is also integrated across our platform story. So as I said, it knows what device we're looking at. So Continuum is also involved in our applications working on Xbox as well. So part of that is our new Universal App Store. So up till now we've had one app store for our mobile, one app store for PC, and one app store for Xbox. So what we've done is we've brought everything together in one app store. So you'll have your apps, music, TV, movies, and your games, all in one location. And what we've also done is given the developers who make apps the ability to develop an app that will work, one app that will work on every single device that we have. So you're talking about a phone app that will replicate down to a tablet, PC, and on an Xbox as well. So it's very easy to do. Rather than creating coding for lots of different apps, they'll be able to create one that will work seamlessly across all of our devices. It's just popped onto Windows 7 and Windows 8 devices, and it's called Get Windows 10. It's a free app. What that app does is that will actually start to assess the device you're currently using for compatibility and let you know if you're capable of getting the upgrade. Windows 10 as a program is smaller than 8 and 7. So what it will actually do when you upgrade, it will actually free up some extra space in your device. It's 4 gigs in size, it's quite small compared to the operating systems of 8 and 7, as I said. What you get with that is a better battery life as well. So it'll make your battery life better and will actually free up some space on the device for consumers. So it's a really positive message as well. People think when they're upgrading, it's bigger, it's going to take up an awful lot more room, but that's not going to be the case with this. The upgrade itself is free within the first year. And I say free within the first year because once you upgrade, within 365 days of launch, that upgrade is on your device free for life. The lifetime of that device is free. So at any stage during the 365 days, once you upgrade, the product is free on that device. And coming into the new year when new devices come out, those devices will become preloaded with Windows 10. But the upgrade pathway is relatively simple. So once you've got that app, you just register your interest in the upgrade, and then coming closer to launch, you'll be prompted. What the Get Windows 10 app will start to do once you've registered your interest, it will start to prime the device for the upgrade, so it's a very quick process.